Hello there. Today we'll be discussing the potential significant threat of severe weather for tomorrow, New Year's Eve. So you'll notice with the upgraded um storm prediction center prediction for severe weather, there's now a enhanced risk of severe weather, mainly for far southeastern Texas, most of Louisiana, in the southwestern portions of Mississippi. Now, there's a significant threat for severe weather because, as you can see here, there's a 10% chance of having a tornado within 25 miles of a point. So, although not supposed to be a significant tornado outbreak of strong tornadoes, there could still be a isolated tornado that could potentially reach EF3 strength. So, this will be a day to really monitor, keep an eye to the sky, be aware at all times. Then a 5% risk of tornadoes through Mississippi and Alabama. That's where the slight risk is. So one or two tornadoes may also occur in that zone. In the 2%, mainly a brief tornado. And then when it comes to wind damage potential, there is a 15% chance of some wind damage occurring from southwest Alabama through southern Mississippi, Louisiana, into far southeast Texas. So mainly 60-mile-per-hour damaging wind gusts are expected, although with some of the stronger cells, some 70-mile-per-hour winds can occur. So some tree damage may occur, power outages can result, maybe even some roofing damage in the stronger cells. And then there are some hail. There is some hail potential, mainly during the developing stage of the storms before the storms take a mainly somewhat damaging wind mode towards Alabama, Florida, Panhandle. That would mainly be about quarter to maybe occasionally 2-inch size, so could see some significant hail, but otherwise I would be more concerned at this time of some tornado and wind damage potential. I will now show you some of the one of the models perspective on this. So here's 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. You'll notice right there you'll have widespread rain showers, but then the storms start developing here around the Houston area. And then here's 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. You'll notice that they will have approached the Houston, Texas area. Some marginally severe cells will have developed by them, mainly core size hail, some damaging wind. But then towards 1 or 2 p.m., that's where a bit of that tornado potential may start, but otherwise may expect hail as the main threat. And then here's 3, 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. They'll be out of the Houston area by then. Here's where they'll start developing the tornado potential. Hail threat will continue. Also, a bit of a damaging wind threat could start. Then mainly 6 p.m. they will have entered Louisiana. These will be mainly slow moving storms, so some flooding can also occur. Again, that's where the tornado potential really starts. And then as the night goes, you also see a second line of storms sort of develop in Mississippi and towards the Gulf of Mexico, maybe very, very far southeastern Louisiana. Those ones could also have a severe threat. And then towards Friday morning, that's where they will have moved to Alabama. They'll be mostly weakened, although a few of the cells could contain some marginally severe wind gusts, maybe even some hail, but then it modifies itself and moves into Georgia and South Carolina. So basically, just be prepared for the potential of some tornadoes, some damaging wind of 60 to 70 miles per hour, and some hail, potentially to 1/2 inch, if not larger, although we'll have some refinements on hail size tomorrow. So, well, that's